Good day everyone, welcome to Math with Atada. Today we have a problem which was a request from one of my fans that I should actually explain, or I should explain how to find the derivative of dy dx from this function given to us. And I come here to actually explain and show how are we going to get these derivatives of this function. But however, before then, we will need to talk much more on calculus. But since this was a request, so I need to explain or show how to get the derivative of this. But before then, we need to actually explain more on this before we go further. So, but for this request, let me try to explain or show how to get the derivative, that's dy dx of this function given to us. So now, as you can see, we are having a derivative here. And for us to get the y dx of this function, so let's try to do solution. Now we are given y is equals to open bracket x plus 2 close bracket open bracket 2x squared plus 1 close bracket. Now if you can check, the nature of the function given to us is what? We have different two functions multiplied together, and when we are trying to actually deal with this sort of function to get the derivative of this function, so if you can check it clearly down, what is in between there is what is multiplication. And when we are having two different functions and a multiplication is actually between them, so we use the product rule of differentiation. So in which we are using what? We are adopting the product rule. So using product rule, right? What is product rule? Product rule states that the first function, let's name it as what? As u. That's the first function, u. The second function, v. Right? Then you select u is equals to x plus 2. And v is equals to 2x squared plus 1. That's the first rule, right? And then it says that dy dx, to get dy dx of this function, dy dx is equals to, the first thing is that when you are differentiating, you keep our u as a constant, right? We differentiate v, right? In which we have u dv dx, right? Then plus. Now, in this point, we will keep our v constant, we differentiate u, right?